To develop a more loving relationship with a dog, spend plenty of time bonding with it. Make a habit of showing your dog affection regularly throughout the day, whether it's pats, scratches, or gentle ear rubs. Spend time playing with your dog too. Pay attention to what kinds of games and activities your dog likes best. For example, your pet might enjoy playing fetch, catching a ball, or playing tug-of-war. Take your dog on frequent walks and let it hang out with you as much as possible during the day. Dogs are social animals and enjoy just spending time in people's company. Your dog will also be happiest in a healthy, comfortable environment. So make sure to provide a cozy space for your dog, offer plenty of toys, and keep it well fed and groomed. The happier the dog, the better your relationship will be.